Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Nickel Notes, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of numismatics. Today we're exploring the 1 pence coin from the United Kingdom, specifically the 2011 issue. This small bronze-plated steel coin might look ordinary to most people, but for collectors, every detail, date, minting process, condition, and errors can make it special. If you got one of these coins in your change jar or tucked away in a drawer, you might be holding onto more history and potential value than you realize. In this video, we'll explore everything from design details to 40 different mint varieties and possible errors that could make your coin worth much more than face value. Let's get started. The UK 1 pence coin of 2011 is part of the decimal coinage, introduced in 1971, replacing the old pre-decimal penny. It's made from copper-plated steel, weighs 3.56 grams, and has a diameter of 20.3 millimeters. On the obverse, it features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Ian Rank, broadly showing her facing right and wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. The reverse design, created by Matthew Dent, displays a segment of the Royal Shield of Arms. The year 2011 is clearly struck at the bottom. While it may seem like a simple design, slight variations and minting errors can drastically affect its collectability and value. The Royal Mint produced millions of these coins for circulation in 2011, but the exact mintage figure for standard coins is over 400 million. However, what makes 2011 interesting is that the Royal Mint also issued coins for collector sets and annual proof sets, which had much lower mintages. Proof coins were struck to a higher standard, often with mirror-like fields and frosted details, and these can fetch higher prices on the secondary market. Circulated examples typically hold only face value unless they have unusual characteristics, but uncirculated and proof versions can be worth more depending on demand. For a normal circulated 2011 1 pence coin in average condition, the value is generally 1p, but in uncirculated condition, these coins can sell for £1, £3, and proof or brilliant uncirculated examples can reach £5, £10 depending on the beer. Error coins such as MIS strikes, off-center strikes, or wrong planchet errors can command anywhere from £20 to over £100 depending on rarity and condition. Some collectors even seek coins with toning or unusual coloring caused by the copper plating reacting over time, which adds to their uniqueness. When we talk about details for the 2011 1p coin, we mean the subtle differences in strike finish and errors that can exist. These include 1 standard circulation strike, 2 brilliant uncirculated from mint sets, 3 proof strike, 4 matte finish trial coins, 5 off-center strike, 6 broad strike error, 7 misaligned die, 8 clipped planchet, 9 wrong planchet error, 10 double die obverse, 11 double die reverse, 12 die cracks, 13 cut breaks, 14 die polishing lines, 15 missing letters in inscription, 16 weak strike, 17 partial color error, 18 rotated die error, 19 filled die causing missing detail, 20 overpolished reverse. Continuing the list, 21 reverse field doubling, 22 obverse field doubling, 23 die chip near date, 24 die chip near queen's crown, 25 minor repunching of letters, 26 toning varieties red, brown, rainbow, 27 plating blister bubbles, 28 missing copper layers showing steel, 29 edge damage during minting, 30 struck through grease error, 31 struck through cloth or fiber, 32 die clash marks, 33 die fatigue causing blurred details, 34 low relief strike, 35 high relief strike, 36 tilted die error, 37 proof coin with frost missing, 38 mirror-like uncirculated finish, 39 experimental strike test coin, 40 any known mule errors pairing obverse, reverse. Collectors value these variations differently based on rarity and demand. While the average person might overlook small details, a numismatist examines coins with a loupe or microscope to detect errors. A 2011 1p coin with a clear double die reverse, for example, could turn a penny into a coin worth dozens of pounds. Proof coins from annual sets remain the most popular with hobbyists because of their pristine condition and low mintage. Beginners often start with circulation finds before moving on to high-grade or error examples. Condition is critical in determining value. Coins are graded from poor P to mint state. MS with proofs PR in a separate category. An MS65 or PR69 coin from 2011 can be significantly more valuable than one with visible wear. Always handle coins by the edges and store them in protective holders to prevent fingerprints and scratches. A graded and slabbed coin from a reputable grading service like NGC or PCGS will generally sell for more, as the beer has assurance of its authenticity and quality. Selling a 20111 pence coin depends on where and how you sell it. Online marketplaces like eBay, dedicated numismatic auctions, and coin shows are all viable options. Error coins and high-grade examples tend to sell faster than standard circulated pieces. Market trends also affect value. When copper prices rise or when certain error types become popular, prices can spike. In recent years, UK coin collectors have shown increasing interest in modern decimal coins, especially those with low mintages or striking errors. So while most 2011 UK 1 pence coins might still be worth their face value, rare mint varieties, high-grade proofs, and unique errors can make them quite valuable to the right collector. If you enjoyed learning about the 2011 1p coin and its fascinating mint varieties, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth coin videos. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment about your coin finds, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload. Who knows, that small copper coin in your pocket could be your next big treasure.